Welcome back friends. From this video I shall begin to stylize this section, and it is dark background will be shown, same like this one, dark background. So I come back to my code editor and I go to style.css. First I write the comment. Box section styles. Box section. I show you this class in home.php. This one, box dash section. Width 100%, margin 0, padding top 80 pixel, padding dash bottom 45 pixel, background color hash 353357. Box shadow 0 from top, 0 from right, 10 pixel from bottom, and RGBA from the left side for making it transparent 000.1, and I have duplicated it. Dash most for showing the Mozilla Firefox and WebKit for Chrome browser. Dash WebKit dash box dash shadow. Now H3, which is inside the box dash section, this one, and the other H3s which are inside this class. Font size 25 pixel, line height 25 pixel, font weight 900, color hash FFF, margin bottom 4 pixel, box dash section P, paragraph P tags which are inside this box section class, all these P tags. Font size 18 pixels, line height 27 pixels, font weight 200, margin 0 pixel, color hash FFF. Now Control S and I go to my browser. I refresh this page. So friend, now you can see that this blue background is showing here. Here the dark, but here the blue. There's little difference. So now I shall make this kind of this section and also try to change this one to dark. Blue is also beautiful, but I try to change it. I think I have written the background code wrongly. So this is its background, box dash section class, and this is background color. There is a mistake in this code. It's numbers. Actually it is hash 353537. Control S to save. Now I come back and refresh it. So now it is dark. So friend, I have successfully stylized this one, and now I begin to make this section. We have a creative platform and this image. So I come back to my code editor and I go to home.php. I come under write this section, box section ends, the closing tag of section. And I make another section under it, section start and section close. Class platform dash section. So now I comment it, platform dash section starts. Platform dash section ends. Keep in mind that the first section was the categories section. This is the first section which is under the closing head tag. It is the categories dash section. So if I come to the next section, this is the box section. Box section starts. And now this third one is platform dash section. This was the first section which was the categories dash. So this was the categories section, and this second one is the box section. And now the third section I am going to make, which has been the platform section, which is this one. This section has been assigned a name, platform dash section. This kind of section will be made under this black section. So I come back to my code editor and I make a div inside this section, div start and div close. I assign it a class container. Container starts, container ends. Now I make one more div inside it. And assign it a class row space text dash center for showing that text into the middle of the page. Now I comment it, ends. I make one div inside it, div start and div close, and assign it a class call md6 mb-3 margin bottom 3. I comment it, ends. Now h2 inside this div, I copy this text and paste it here. Now I copy this text, paste it here inside the h3. Now I make the p tag for showing the paragraph. I go to my browser and copy this lorem ipsum text. Control S to save. Now I come here. This is the theme which is being made. So I refresh it and I take it scroll bar down. So friend, now this kind of text is showing here at the left side, right into the middle of this page, because I am to also show this image over the right side over this section. So then I will show these two buttons here under this text, also under this text.